Welcome everyone. Welcome to week 1, day 4. Bienvenidos a todos de semana número 1, día número 4. Today we're going to do 2 pages of letter sounds, 2 páginas de letras y sonidos. We're going to read 2 books and do some activities speaking and writing. Vamos a leer 2 libros. Uno de cómo se siente cosas y otro libro del sabor. También vamos a hacer actividades en que hablamos y escribimos. Let's get started. Empezamos. So our first activity, we're going to be looking at talking about someone's possessions. Vamos a hablar de lo que tiene una persona. Now in Spanish, I would say, ese es el café de Miss Lewis. Yo uso la palabra de para decir que es mío. So I use the word de to say that it's mine. In English, we don't use they. A lot of times we're going to use an apostrophe S. Vamos a poner una S extra. We're going to look at some examples of that today, okay? So it says, the bag of Tim, como la bolsa de Tim. But normally in English, we don't use of or de. Cambiamos eso y ponemos una S extra. We put an extra S, so it changes to Tim's bag. So, en vez de decir el café de Miss Lewis, instead of saying the coffee of Miss Lewis, I say Miss Lewis's coffee. So, number 1, the hat of Tim is not big. Cambiamos eso, no of. Vamos a poner una S extra. We put an extra S to say, Tim's hat is not big. Solo hay un chico que se llama Tim. There's only one boy whose name is Tim. Pero todavía ponemos este S para decir que es suyo. But we still put the S to say it's his. Let's do another one. The cat of Nan is on the mat. Nan's cat is on the mat. Number 3. The bag of Tim is big. Tim's bag is big. The dog of Bob can jog. Which letter? Now we're going to practice with on and off. Okay. So, looking at my pictures here, the hat is on the rock. Looking at this picture, the hat is off the rock. Here's my sentence, and here's my picture. Nan's hat is on the dog. Yo puedo ver que el sombrero está encima del perro. I can see that the hat is on the dog. Look at this picture. Talking about the cat named Tab. Tab is the mat. On or off? Off. Good. Look at my picture. El chico que se llama Bob. Bob is the rock. On or off? On. Good job. Here's page number 2. We're going to look at these 3 letters and their sounds. So first I have A, O, I, Let's read our words. Fox, box, 6, axe, socks. What word has the A sound? Yes, axe. What word has the A sound? Fox, box, socks. What word has the I sound? 6. Good job. Now we're going to say yes or no. Look at the picture. Bob has socks. No, él no tiene medias. No, he doesn't have socks. Look at the picture. The mitt is in the box. Yes. Tab is a fox. Is this a fox? No. Tim has an axe. Yes. Nan has 6 hats. No, she has 1 hat. Good job. You can hit pause and do the activity too. Make sure you try to say the words. Ustedes pueden poner pausa y repetir las oraciones y hacer las actividades. We just did our phonics. Ya hicimos las actividades de letras y sonidos. Now let's read our book. This feels. Ahora vamos a leer el libro. This feels. Este se siente. This feels. Here are some words. Dry, feels, rough, smooth, warm, wet. This feels so hard. This feels so soft. This feels so dry. This feels so wet. This feels so rough. This feels so smooth. This feels so cold. This feels so warm. Muy bien, very good. Y ustedes pueden ver que aquí tenemos muchos opuestos. We had a lot of opposites here. So if this is wet with water, and this is dry sand, makes me think dry, seco, wet, mojado. Ahora ustedes pueden poner pausa, releer el libro y averiguar qué significan una de esas palabras. When you're all done, let's do our activities. Here for touch, tocar. We've got smooth skin, como piel suave. A soft pillow, como suave almohada. Wet hair, cabello mojado. And a hot drink, una bebida caliente. So what do you feel? ¿Qué sientes? Look at my picture. It says, I'm looking at a ball. So I feel, yo toco y me siento, a ball, una pelota, and it feels bumpy. Look at this picture. Can you repeat after me? I feel. Good. I feel a soft bear. What is that? I feel. It's a dog. How would that dog feel? Dry or wet? Yes, I feel a wet dog. This is like in our book. I feel a hot drink, a warm drink. I feel warm. Lots of things you can say. So now we did our first book, This Feels. our activity with touch, tocar. Now let's do taste this. Taste this. Introduction. We use our tongue to taste. Foods can taste salty, bitter, sour, or sweet. Can you guess how these foods can taste? Salty taste, como sal. These are pretzels. Pretzels can taste salty. We use salt to give foods a salty flavor. Bitter taste, amargo. This is spinach. Spinach can taste bitter. Some people do not like bitter flavors. Sour and sweet taste. This is a lemon. Lemons can taste sour. Some people do not like sour flavors. This is honey. Honey can taste sweet. We use honey to give foods a sweet flavor. These are apples. Apples can taste sweet or sour. Do you like sweet apples or do you like sour apples? Conclusion. How do your favorite foods taste? Fruit, cookies, cheeseburger, sushi, nuts, and chocolate. Ahora que hemos hablado de los sabores, hacemos una actividad. Now let's do an activity about taste. Sweet cake, como pastel dulce. Spicy salsa, salsa picante. Salty pretzel, un pretzel salado. We'll see what tastes you like. So normally in Spanish we would say como pan dulce o salsa picante. In English the order is the opposite. En inglés el orden está al revés. So here we say I taste, yo saboreo sour candy. Look at his face. Here, she's feeling happy. So she might say, I taste sweet candy. Look at him eating. Ooh, fire, hot. I taste spicy salsa. Look at him. He's eating a chip. Does a chip taste sweet, spicy, or salty? I taste, chips. Congratulations. Felicidades. You are all done with day 4. Great job. I'll see you later. Bye.